People in a busy neighborhood in southern Maine right now are dealing with a sight that a lot of Mainers have seen this year, a failed culvert causing big problems on the road.
News Center Maine's David Guilford reports from South Portland after learning about some innovative solutions to these problems that only seem to be getting worse.
Crews have begun repairs to this culvert on Sawyer Street in South Portland, which collapsed on Monday. It comes on the tail end of a busy spring and summer for road crews and engineers as they work to fix washouts and damage to underground infrastructure like culverts, many of which are aging. Maine DOT Chief Engineer Joyce Taylor said her department has moved to upgrade systems so they can handle so-called 100-year storms that are happening more and more often.
We've been looking at all of our culverts going, okay, here's the age. They're over 50 years old and they're a metal culvert. That's not good. Here's where they're probably undersized, and trying to predict those locations and trying to get to those ones before they basically age out or get washed out.
Long-term solutions to these problems are being developed in Orono.
Our challenge has been, okay, how we can use modern technologies to help these issues.
UMaine's civil engineering professor, Dr. Roberto Lopez Anido, explained the university is developing new culverts that can be custom made, even 3D printed for each site without driving up costs.
So again, we have that freedom of design where we can customize the inlet and outlet. And that is, I think, what helps rural areas in Maine, where every town, every culvert will have different conditions.
Of course, most culverts, like this one, are for existing waterways, and there have been a lot of requests to include fish passages in these upgrades. Taylor said that's a win-win as they naturally move to larger pieces that can handle both water and amphibians. In South Portland, David Guilford, News Center, Maine.